down at the city zoo. So first, we're going to find some elephants who are going to raise their trunks and stomp, stomp, stomp. Then we're going to see some polar bears who jump and dive into the water. And then we're going to see some lions who are going to wander, and then they're going to roar. All right. Down at the city zoo early in the morning, see the giant elephants standing in a row. Watch them as they raise their trunks, spraying water everywhere. Stomp, 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 off they go. Down at the city zoo early in the morning, see the fluffy polar bears standing on a stone. Watch them as they jump and dive into the water. Splash, 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 off they go. Down at the city zoo early in the morning, see the golden lions pacing to and fro. Watch them as they wander, oh, they're coming my way. Roar, 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 off I go.